For those who love Thai food and go to restaurants, you may be familiar with this thing. Well, I brought one back when I went to Thailand earlier this year. Damn, it's such a neat little appliance. And lids and the cute little ladles there. Neat! Right, it comes in sets of 4s. There's always 4. Like regardless, it may vary from like restaurants and all that, but there's always 4. And what it is you've got spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. Starting off with our sweet, this is just plain granulated white sugar. For our salty component, we're going to make something called prung nam pla, which is Thai bird's eye chilies, lime, nam pla, which is fish sauce, and sugar to balance out. Good glug of fish sauce. Chilies. For a spicy component, we need some dried red bird's eye chilies. Now, these have been dried and toasted. Now, normally in Thailand, what they do is they use a pestle mortar and they pound them. But I don't have a pestle mortar, so I'm going to blitz them with my spice grinder. Blitz! You want them ground up quite crassly there. Fourth component, the sour. We're going to make a prung nam som, which is distilled vinegar. I'm going to add in the prung chi fa, which are the spur chilies. Just slice them to not too thick and not too thin, just moderate the chunks. Now some restaurants, like, they'll blitz this one up, but I'm not going to do that. Like, I want them to look even and, you know, pretty. Right, just add a bit of sugar in there. I like to add some garlic to my nam som for a little extra flavour. Just gotta let them sit there, chilies and all that will infuse. Parsley chopped. Don't worry about how fine it is, because technically you're not actually eating the garlic or the chilies. You just, what you want to be using is the vinegar itself, the infused vinegar. Okay, that's what you're looking for there, and now I'm going to give you an example of how to use them. pork flavoured mama noodle soup with fish balls and a garnish of coriander and spring onions. Simple. Okay. Now this right. Neutral. This is what the condiments I bought to customize your meal. These are normally used for like noodle soups and curries and whatnot. But this is the trick to it. Or should I say the fun to it. Spicy. I'm going to go liberal with this. Salty. Sour. I didn't have nam som. And the sweet. And I'm just gonna mix this up here. Well, that's good. Now the thing is, right, if it's not to your heart's content, add more of something. Like right now, you could use a bit more salty. And if it's too salty, just add a bit more sweet. Simple. It's so adventurous. Hope you enjoyed this.